আজি CPIMৰ ৰাজ্যিক মুখ্য কাৰ্যালয়ত এক সংবাদমেলৰ আয়োজন কৰা হয়। এই সংবাদমেলখন বিশেষকৈ CPIM দলৰ নেতা কমৰেড সীতাৰাম য়েচুৰী, পলিট ব্যুৰোৰ অধ্যক্ষ আৰু ৰাজ্যসভাৰ অধ্যক্ষৰ লগতে ৰাজ্যিক দলৰ সদস্যসকলে এই সংবাদমেলত উপস্থিত থাকে। আজি সংবাদমেলৰ যোগেদি সাংবাদিকসকলৰ সৈতে ৰাজ্যসভাৰ সাংসদ শ্ৰী সীতাৰাম য়েচুৰীয়ে জনায় যে 3 বছৰ পূৰ্বে এক সংবাদমেল পাতিছিলোঁ, বিশেষকৈ বিগ ডেমৰ সম্পৰ্কে। গতিকে আজি আকৌ এই একেই গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বিষয়ক লৈ এই সংবাদমেল যোগে জনায় যে বিগ ডেমৰ বিশেষ দৃষ্টান্তমূলকভাৱে সকলো প্ৰকাৰৰ পৰীক্ষা নিৰীক্ষা কৰাটো অতি প্ৰয়োজন। প্ৰাকৃতিক সম্পদ জনসাধাৰণৰ লাভালাভৰ ফালে চাই যাতে কোনো ক্ষতি নহয়, লগতে এই বিগ ডেমটো যাতে মাল্টিপাৰ্পজ হয়, সকলোৰে সুবিধাৰ্থে ই অকল হাইড্ৰজেনিক পাৰ্পছত যাতে নহয় আৰু ইয়াৰ নিৰ্মাণৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সকলো বিশেষজ্ঞৰ বিচাৰ সাপেক্ষে ইয়াৰ নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব লাগে বুলি শ্ৰী সীতাৰাম য়েচুৰীয়ে কয়।
What we had said was a proper assessment must be made from all angles, from the environment, from the people's benefit, and also that this dam should serve a multi-purpose objective. That it should not only be for hydroelectric generation, but also be used for irrigation, water channels, and internal water transportation. Many of these issues we said should be covered. An expert panel was set up. The Assam expert panel recommended. It went to an All India expert panel from Assam and All India. And now, strangely, the recommendation has come that you should not go ahead with it. Now, this is very unfortunate because this ties up with everything that is connected with the Northeast. For many years, from 1996, I remember, from the United Front government time, we had been arguing for a special package for the Northeast. And in that process, many things have happened. There's been a new department, a new secretary for the Northeast Development. The donor was established. 10% of all development activity funds, budgetary funds will be allocated for the Northeast was accepted. So the idea was, and it still is according to the CPIM's opinion, that the Northeast has a lot of potential. It has a lot of natural resources and it has an environment which is very conducive for development.
আজিৰ সংবাদমেলত শ্ৰী সীতাৰাম য়েচুৰীয়ে উত্তৰ পূৰ্বৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্টৰ বিষয়ে কেন্দ্ৰই লোৱা পদক্ষেপৰ সম্পৰ্কে কয়।
But we see a sudden reversal by this new government on many of the issues connected for the development of the Northeast. And this has now come with the announcement by the Railway Ministry saying that the second rail bridge over Brahmaputra has been stopped because it is not remunerative. The railways is a national institution, a very important element of uniting our country. And therefore, its projects and its connectivity cannot be only decided upon on the basis of remuneration. So when the second road bridge was being conceived, I remember we, again, to all of you many years ago, I said that it should be a road cum rail bridge. And only when you have the bridge can you have the doubling of the track. And given the constraints of connectivity in the Northeast, this doubling of the track is very important. Now, this government has decided not to have the second rail bridge. As a part of the Northeastern development thing, we had also then set up this Northeastern Industrial Investment Promotion Policy, the NEIIP. Now, yesterday, the Minister of Commerce answered in the Parliament that this has been put on hold because the Northeastern state governments have not fulfilled their obligation or their dues. Now, we see that there is a sort of a package coming up. Railways, Ministry of Commerce, the Finance Ministry, And then this entire issue of the big dam, which has various ministries involved. All of them, if you put a seat in a package, I think it is the treatment by this new Modi government to the Northeast is not fair. Forget being unjust, but it's just not fair. So these are issues on which we are going to take up in the Parliament. Some of them have been taken up. We'll be discussing that, because Northeast's development is not confined to only members of Parliament from the Northeast. As far as the CPIM is concerned, we have always maintained
আনফালে আংশত সীতাৰাম য়েচুৰীয়ে কয় যে উত্তৰ পূৰ্বৰ সৰ্ববৃহৎ ৰূপে গঢ়ি উঠা চাহ উদ্যোগৰ বিষয়ে লোৱা কেন্দ্ৰ চৰকাৰক সমালোচনা কৰি কয়,
Now, apart from all the other issues connected with the tea industry crisis, some of which are also global, but here the question of the tea garden workers, the whole package of the wages for the tea garden workers, since I remember from the last 30 years that I know of, included an element of the wages itself being given as food rations. That was part of the wage structure, part of the wage negotiations. Now food rations are being curtailed because it is being said that the supplies are not sufficient. And this is again, I think, putting a very huge burden on the entire large section of the tea workers in Assam. And not only the tea workers, including their families, it's a sizable percentage of Assam's population that is dependent on the tea industry. So all these negative developments are very unfortunate, and we will fight in the Parliament. But these are issues which we hope that the central government will reconsider.
ভিডিঅ' জাৰ্নেলিষ্ট সুশান্ত দাস, সেন্টিনেল নিউজ, গুৱাহাটী।